Good morning, friends. Now we are going to learn the new topic kinds of sentences. What does mean by kinds of sentences? Means here in your Marathi वाक्यांचे प्रकार. You have also learned in all the languages, and in the languages we learn only language. Means they cannot speak. Means the language does not happen in the silent class. In this way, you have to learn. Then you are not be silent. You should be take participate active participation in all activities. Here the students, here are the kinds of sentences. How many kinds of sentences here? Here are the 4 kinds of sentences. And then first of all we learn the first kinds of sentences, assertive sentence. And assertive sentence, it is called as विधानार्थी वाक्य. It is called as also statement. It is called as also statement. In your English, there is a simple formula: subject plus verb plus object. And here are also 2 types of the assertive sentence. First is affirmative and second is negative sentence. Affirmative sentence, just like here is example is given: she plays cricket. Another is negative sentence. Subject, then HV. What is meant by HV? HV means helping verb. HV means helping verbs. And which are the helping verbs? If there is the to do's form, do, does, did, to be's form, and these are was, were, shall be, will be, to has form, and auxiliary verb also. Here is negative, means here is affirmative sentence is she plays cricket, and we can make this example negative. Just like she is subject, helping verb does. Why is it does? Because in the simple present tense, if there is the third person singular number noun or pronoun, then we add s or es to the verb, and in this way here is the does is the helping verb, they not, and plays verb, and cricket is object. In this way we learn the assertive sentence, and assertive sentence has 2 types. First is affirmative and second is negative sentence. In this way you can make you can frame many more questions. Just like Sachin plays cricket, then you are eating mango. You made any other examples. In this way, another type of sentence is the interrogative sentence. And interrogative sentence means what? Prashnarthak vakya. And you always ask questions whenever you get up, and you always ask questions. You always ask the questions. And here are also 2 types. First is WS type question, and second is verbal type question. WS type question. There is WH. What is WH? WH means what? The W refers for the words begin with when, what, how. How not? When, what means begin with W, and another words begin with H. How many, how much. There are WH words plus helping verb plus subject plus verb plus object. In this way, the example is given when. What is when? When is WH word. Did is here helping verb. British is subject. Established is verb, and East India Company is a object. Here is the when did British establish East India Company. You may take another examples. When did you get up early in the morning? When did you get up? Means you can ask another question. Second type is verbal type question. It is called also the SRO type. Why it is called as SRO type? Because when the questions any other person asks, just like do you like pizza? Yes or no. Means you may answer only yes or no. So it is called as SRO type question. Its formula is helping verb plus subject plus verb plus object. Just like helping verb is do, you is subject, like is verb, and pizza is object.
3.
We are going to learn the kinds of sentences. Here are the four kinds of sentences, and then first of all we have learned assertive sentence. Then we learn interrogative sentence. In this way, the third kind of sentence is the exclamatory sentence. And it is called as Udgarvachak Vakya. Oh, what means when here is the emotions, feelings are important. Just here is also some formulas I have made. Just what means here are also two types. In exclamatory sentence, begin with what, and another is begin with how. Firstly, begin with what, and another begin with how. And first of all, we have to learn the how to begin with what. Then what. First, a and. What is a and? This article. A and what indicate? It indicates singular form. Then adjective is here adjectives plus noun plus subject plus verb. Here is an example. Here is example. What a beautiful girl she is. What a beautiful girl she is. Here is another example is. Here is examples are here. Oh, what a terrible snake. In this way, we have so many examples. Another example is here how. How plus adjective plus subject plus verb. How brave Tanaji was. How. Then brave is here adjectives, Tanaji subject, and was in here object. And one thing is important. Just like in the assertive sentence, the sentence stop with or end with the full stop. In the interrogative sentence, the sentence end with the question mark. In this way, in the exclamatory sentence, the sentence stop or end with the exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Means just here is oh is given. Here is also the exclamatory sentence. And in this way, the another types of sentence is the In this way, the another type of sentence is the imperative sentence. It is called as the Ajnarthi Vakya. Means what it indicates, just like order, request, anybody call, bring me a glass of water. Just like it's begin with the verb on object. First, just here is example is given. Open the door. Open the door. Bring me a glass of water. And it's begin with verb and object. What is the meaning? Open the door. In your Marathi, open the door means the darwaza ugda. Means who? Here is the height subject and it is you. You is here height subject. In this way, today we learn the four kinds of sentences. First is assertive sentence, and assertive sentence has also two types. First is affirmative sentence and second is negative. And second type of sentence is interrogative sentence, and interrogative sentence has also two types. First is WH word, means begin with the WH words, and second is verbal type, or we can say it the SNO types. And another example is another types of sentence is third is exclamatory sentence. Here are also two types. First begin with what and second begin with how. In this way, we have learned the last and fourth, the types of sentence is imperative sentence, and is begin with verb and object, and then end with full stop. Example is given here, just like open the door, and I have told you what is the height subject here, you. And in this way, we have learned now